Bluey sprinted through the backyard. Something glittered in the shadows. Could it be magic? Bingo shouted. Bluey, wait! Her ears perked up. Could this be the start of an adventure? Dad peeked from the porch. Stay careful. Mom followed quietly. Bluey's tail wagged nervously. A glowing key hovered above the flowers. Bluey gasped. Bingo whispered, could it unlock a secret? They tiptoed closer. The key shimmered brighter. Bluey's paws shook with excitement. Could it open a hidden door? Suddenly, the key floated toward the old oak tree. Bluey ran faster. Bingo struggled to keep up. Could they reach it in time? Under the tree, a tiny door appeared. Bluey's heart raced. She whispered, let's see inside. She inserted the key. The door creaked open. A tunnel of sparkling light revealed itself. Could this be a portal? Inside, the tunnel glimmered with colors. Shadows danced mysteriously. Bluey felt a thrill. Bingo's paws barely touched the ground. Could this world be enchanted? A small creature with glowing wings appeared. Bluey whispered, hello. Could this be our guide? The creature led them to a hidden garden. Flowers glimmered in rainbow colors. Bluey twirled in delight. Could happiness feel this magical? Suddenly, a sparkling waterfall appeared. Water shimmered in every hue. Bluey gasped. Bingo clapped her paws. Could this be the treasure? They explored carefully, jumping over little streams, chasing glowing butterflies, laughing and discovering secrets. Could the magic last forever? A shadow moved behind a bush. Bluey froze. Bingo whispered, who's there? Dad and Mom looked concerned. Could danger be near? Bluey took a deep breath. She stepped forward courageously. The shadow revealed a playful dragon. Bluey laughed. Bingo hugged her. Could the adventure get even better? As the sun began to set, they returned home. The backyard looked normal again. Bluey whispered, what an incredible day. Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. Thank you for sharing this magical adventure. Bluey wagged her tail happily. And you? Yes, you. If you felt the magic with Bluey, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.